In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a filter view. If you've ever wanted to scan a busy spreadsheet without permanently hiding or deleting anything, filter views are your friend. They let you temporarily narrow what you see so you can focus on exactly the rows that matter, while leaving the original data intact for you and anyone else viewing the file. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Next, select the range of cells that contains the data you want to filter, and make sure your selection includes the header row. The header row is the top row of labels, things like date, status, or amount, and including it ensures you can filter each column correctly. An easy way to select is to click the top left cell of your data, then hold Shift and click the bottom right cell to capture everything in between. With your range highlighted, go to the top menu, choose Data, then Filter Views, and click Create New Filter View. This creates a private view just for you, so any filtering you apply won't change what collaborators see. When the filter view opens, you'll notice a dark gray bar appear at the top of the sheet and a black border outlining your selected range. That's your visual confirmation that you're working inside a filter view. Any filters you apply now affect only what you see in this view. To apply your filter criteria, click the small funnel icon in the header of the column you want to filter. You have two main ways to filter. Filter by values shows a checklist of all the distinct entries in that column. Uncheck the boxes next to the items you want to hide. If the list is long, click Clear to deselect everything, then select only the values you want to keep visible. This is great for quickly narrowing a category like status to just open or in progress. If you need something more specific, use filter by condition. Choose a rule such as text is exactly, greater than, or date is after, and then enter the criteria that matches what you want to see. For example, you might filter amounts greater than a certain number or show only dates after the start of the month. Once you've set your selections, click OK, or simply click anywhere outside the filter menu, and your sheet will update instantly. You can repeat this on additional columns to layer multiple filters and refine your view even further. That's all there is to it. You've created a filter view, recognized its visual cues, and applied filters by values or by condition to focus your analysis.